Well, we finally had some sunshine that's broken out here in the afternoon hours. We're expecting that to stick around. Taking a look, quick look out right there, and I think a lot of folks are probably putting on the sunshades at this time. We do have mostly sunny skies, 41 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Our temperatures are a little bit ahead of schedule at 41. That's the forecast high. It'll be interesting to see if we get to 42 or 43 with the sunshine that's around. Those winds a little bit stronger than we were thinking. We had them at 2 to 5. The barometer 30, 52 hundredths of an inch. The dew point also coming in at 29 degrees. There's a look at those temperatures for you. 41 in Pittsburgh, Denora 43. Latrobe 43 degrees. A little bit cooler where we still have some cloud cover around. Catania, Indiana, Johnstown, and the Somerset area all still into the mid-30s at this point. But as the sun is breaking out in some areas, we are seeing those 40s. Notice Newcastle also and Butler still dealing with some clouds, both struggling just to get past the 40-degree mark. 41 warmer, afternoon sunshine. Yes, it's expected for most of western Pennsylvania. Winds will be out of the west, 2 to 5. You just saw them there just over that at 6 miles an hour. Here's a look at the 24-hour temperature trend. You can see those temperatures holding steady right at 40 degrees for the next hours. And then we dip down into the 20s as we're heading into the overnight hours tonight. What about radar? It's dry now. Do want to warn you, though, if you are heading up maybe to the Buffalo area, there is some lake effect snow impacting I-90 just off really the eastern side of Lake Erie that we're dealing with there. But the big system that we are watching that's going to be here late Thursday night into Friday, just causing a big mess at this point from Nebraska up into the Dakotas as well. Montana still looking at some of this nasty weather. A lot of snow expected in portions or parts of the plains, including upwards of 10 to 15 inches in some areas. Now, for us, we're not going to see the snow side of this. We're going to get the rain part of this, and that will be impacting us. Notice the time, late Friday. So most of the day on Thursday is going to actually be warm. We'll see a late day warm up. Temperatures into the 50s expected for highs. And then here comes the rain. I had it here after 10 o'clock. Latest model numbers and data actually coming in, showing it could arrive as soon as 8 o'clock. We'll keep it at 10 o'clock or after when you should expect to see some rain. As the rain arrives, heaviest of the rain. Notice what happens. First impact, first push, we get pretty good amounts of rain in Pittsburgh, but then any training and all of the heavier rain will slide to the southeast. That's where places like Somerset County over into State College will have a solid chance for some rain. Spotty rain showers after that. I bring that up because we only need 66 hundredths of an inch of rain to set a new record when it comes to just how much rain we've seen for the year. Obviously, we have through Monday to do it. At least through Saturday, we're looking at maybe a half inch or so of rain is what it's looking like at this point. It does look like we'll be just shy of the record. We do have another chance for some rain and showers on Tuesday. But once again, that's a day late. So if we don't get anything on Monday or over the weekend after what we expect to see on Friday, then we'll likely be short. Hey, we got to wait, though. Maybe there's a chance, I guess, that we could see that 66 hundredths of an inch. The nice thing, too, that I kind of skipped over.
Yes, please.
60-degree weather.
Temperature, I saw it, Ron. Loving
Everybody's
it.
like, we don't care about the record. 60-degree weather,
right?
Mainly in the morning hours. Temperature still, though, not too bad Friday afternoon.
That'll be beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, Ron. Thank you so much.